Now next example number 2. If y equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Then dy by dx equal to question mark. We have to find value of dy by dx. Now we can write here options. Option number first A, sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Option B, 1 upon 2 tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. 1 upon 2 into tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Option C, sec x. And option D, cosec x. Okay, here also we have to solve this example. We have to find derivative for this composite function. This is a double composite function. Now we have to find derivative for this function. Now correct answer for this example is option C, sec x. How to obtain this answer sec x? We see here by finding derivative. We can write here derivative of y dy by dx. We can write direct derivative for this function. Suppose this underlying term is f of x. We get log of f of x. We know that derivative of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x. 1 upon f of x means this term tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into derivative of f of x. Derivative of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is composite function. Suppose this term pi by 4 plus x by 2 is a f of x. Derivative of tan of f of x is sec square of f of x into derivative of this pi by 4 plus x by 2 into derivative of pi by 4 is 0 plus derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Derivative of x is 1, 1 by 2 is a constant term. Okay, we get derivative for this function by using composite rule. Now simplify this like this, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon tan means sine upon cos, that is sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2 upon cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into sec square. Sec means 1 upon cos. Therefore we can write sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2 means 1 upon cos square of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into 1 by 2. This term. Now here this cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2 and here 1 cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2 get cancelled. Now remains only dy by dx is equal to 1 upon this 2 into sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now we know that formula 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Using this formula we can write here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sin 2 theta means sin of 2 into, here instead of theta angle is pi by 4 plus x by 2. 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, multiply by this 2 to the bracket, so we get sin of 2 into pi by 4 pi by 2 plus 2 into x by 2 means only x. We get 1 upon sin of pi by 2 plus x, and we know that sin pi by 2 plus x means cos x. By allied angle formula, sin pi by 2 plus theta equal to cos theta. Therefore we can write here 1 upon cos x, and we know that 1 upon cos means sec. That is, we get here dy by dx is equal to sec x. This is the correct answer. Option number C. Okay. We have to solve these examples, not in detail, but it in shortly. Okay. Now we see next example here. Our next example is if y equal to, example number 3rd, if y equal to sec of tan inverse x, sec of tan inverse x, then dy by dx at x equal to 1 is, options are, number first option a equal 1 by 2, option A is 1 by 2, option B is 1, option C is under root 2, and option D is 1 upon under root 2. Okay, now your correct answer is 1 upon under root 2. How to obtain this answer? Now we can find derivative for this function. This is a composite function. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Suppose tan inverse x is f of x. Derivative of sec of f of x is sec of f of x into tan of f of x into f dash of x, that is dy by dx of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to sec of tan inverse x as it is, tan of tan inverse x is equal to x, tan of tan inverse x is equal to x into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now put value of x equal to 1 here, x is equal to 1, then this equation becomes put x equal to 1, therefore dy by dx at x equal to 1 is sec of tan inverse 1, tan inverse of 1 into x equal to 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 square means 1. Now value of tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Sec of pi by 4 into 1 upon 2 equal to sec pi by 4. Sec pi by 4 means sec 45 degree. We know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore, sec 45 is root 2 only. Under root 2 into 1 upon 2 is equal to root 2 into 1 upon 2 means under root 2 into under root 2. Now 1 root 2 is cancelled out, remains only 1 upon under root 2. That is value of dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 2. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now we see next example. This is a very short example, example number 4. D square x upon dy square, d square x upon dy square equals d square x upon dy square equals, we have to find the value of this d square x upon dy square. We have to give an options here. First option is minus d square y by dx square minus d square y by dx square raised to minus 1 into dy by dx. First option. Second option B, minus d square y by dx square minus d square y by dx square into dy by dx bracket raised to minus 3, bracket raised to minus 3. Option C is plus d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square into dy by dx bracket raised to minus 2, and option number D, d square y by dx square bracket raised to minus 1. Okay, now this example is asked in JEE exam. This is important example. Now we have to find derivative for this or value for this term. That is, we can write first here d square xy dy square means d by dy of dx by dy, d by dy into dx by dy. That is, we can write here d square of x upon dy into dy square. Okay, now we take reciprocal for this term, that is d by dy of dy by dx raised to minus 1. d by dy, we can write dx by dy, dy by dx, taking reciprocal we can write dy by dx raised to minus 1. Okay, now we can write here by adjusting term d by dx. We have to find derivative of this term with respect to x. Therefore, we can write d by dx of dy by dx raised to minus 1 into, we can write here dx upon dy. Dx upon dx get cancelled, remains only d by dy. Okay, now we have to find derivative for this dy by dx raised to minus 1 with respect to x. This is a power function. D square x upon dy square is equal to, derivative for this term is minus 1 into dy by dx bracket raised to minus 1, that is minus 2 into dx by dy can be written as in the form dy by dx now here derivative of dy by dx bracket raised to minus 1, this is composite function x raised to n, use formula for x raised to n here, f of x raised to n. Derivative of f of x raised to n means n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. We have to write derivative for this term dy by dx, derivative of dy by dx here d square y by dx square into dx by dy, taking reciprocal we can write here dy by dx raised to minus 1, that is minus into base is equal, take addition at the index here, dy by dx raised to minus 2 into dy by dx raised to minus 1 means we can write dy by dx raised to minus 3 into d square y by dx square as it is. That is, correct answer is option number B, dy by dx bracket raised to minus 3 into d square y by dx square into minus. Okay, so we see next example here.